My name is Brenda Hosto, and I graduated from the welding program. I joined the Marine Corps for 4 years, had a couple of kids, decided that going to a university for my bachelor's in healthcare administration wasn't a thing for me. My husband actually said, "What do you really want to do with your life then?" Because I wasn't doing that great at SGU. I just was not happy, stressed out. And I told him, I said, I always wanted to do welding. And he was very supportive and said, well, look up what's the nearest school. If we have to move, we'll move. And looked up on Google, and Southwest popped up 2 blocks away.
She really stuck out in my mind. Said the great attitude, just always, take it as it comes, just get through it, work through it, and we'll get there. And she did that every day.
I have 3 kids, and they're all young. Having to come here, the instructors have definitely worked with outside of class situations. And so if anything, it's definitely helped me out because they understand.
I think she was an inspiration to several other students that were struggling. Her attitude, definitely inspiration to me, because you really need one student every day to make things worthwhile for you. And she was often the one that did that. It's
been a struggle, but it's definitely been rewarding, especially for my daughter. It's nice when my kids brag about me that, my mom glues metal together kind of thing. You're working with dads. You're not working with moms, you're working with dads and you're making stuff. So if anything, it's really nice that I can set an example and be a role model for my daughter to be like, hey, I did this, you can do this. Or other girls that come in here, do their tours, answer any of their questions and encourage them to do it, do it. Don't let just because you're a girl stop you. Definitely do it.